Hi everyone, today we're going to make pesto, but we're going to make it with dandelion greens and pistachio nuts. So traditionally pesto is made with basil and pine nuts, but we're going to mix it up a little bit for spring. Dandelion greens are in season right now. They have a wonderful, slightly bitter, nutty flavor, and I think it's really going to make a nice pesto. And they're so good for you. So dandelion greens are packed with vitamins and minerals like A, C, E, K. They have calcium, potassium, magnesium, folate, so they're just packed with good things. And pistachio nuts are also very good for you as well. They're full of vitamins and minerals and the good kind of fat, the unsaturated fat that you want to have in your body. And those things combined are a great way to try to help level out your blood sugars, your blood pressure, and your cholesterol. Now, I have a traditional pesto recipe and also a red pesto recipe in my cookbook, The Big Book of Mediterranean Diet Cooking. But in this cookbook, a lot of times my recipes are for 4 people. For the video today, I'm going to make it for 2. So I'm going to kind of cut it in half and then use those alternate ingredients. So I think it'll be a fun video, so come join me. Here are the ingredients. We have a bunch of dandelion greens, which we've trimmed and washed. We're going to use pistachio nuts. This is a little less than 1/3 of a cup. We'll see how it goes. I have 1/8 a cup of Parmesan cheese. Actually, this is Romano cheese. We have 1 1/2 garlic cloves here, 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil to start. We'll see how much we need when we're actually doing it. We're going to use about 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly cracked pepper. And this is all going to go into the blitzer. The first thing we're going to do is put the pistachio nuts into the food processor and pulverize them a little bit. Because normally when I make this, I would use a nut butter and it's already creamy. I just want to get this started so we're not getting big chunks in there. So that's the first step. So we got them to be sort of a chunky powder. Now we're going to add all the other ingredients except for the extra virgin olive oil. And we'll blitz that together, and then we'll add the olive oil a little at a time. It's time to start adding the oil a little at a time. So here it is after the oil was added. I'm just going to taste a little bit of this on my finger and see if it needs any additional ingredients. Okay, we're going to give it another go here just to get it a little bit smoother. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed that recipe. There are so many things you can do with pesto. You can, of course, serve it with pasta. I swirled a little into a pasta salad that I just made and it was really nice. You can add it to salad dressings. You can stir it into soups. You can use it on crostini. You can put it on sandwiches. You can just use it as a flavor addition or straight up on its own. So please try this recipe and let me know if you do. Thank you for joining me and I will see you next time. Bye!